Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. DJ Crazy here. It's a wonderful Monday morning. My daughter's over here eating yogurt. She's eating yogurt, and she spent the weekend at grandma's with my fiance. It was great because I had the weekend to film, and I didn't do it. I played Pokemon on my Switch. So I need to really get into the filming. So I need to do that today. So I'm gonna drop her off at school. You might see me drop her off at school, and then you might also see me play some Pokemon Go because we might leave early to go play Pokemon Go because I like play Pokemon Go. I like Pokemon. Yeah, I got a lot of filming to do today. No Man's Sky came out today, I believe, and all the No Man's Sky is coming out. The first, I want to say the first 5, 6 videos were recorded with a very, very cheap mic. And I mean very cheap. It was like a $5 mic. This is not the case anymore. I have a $20 mic now. And so, yeah, it's clearer, more professional quality. It sounds really great. I'm working toward getting an actual professional, big, expensive mic that can actually do all kinds of things. But yeah, that's about it. Again, you guys might see me drop her off. You guys might see me play some Pokemon Go, and then I'll update you guys on the videos that I have to film because I have a lot to film today. A lot of gaming videos. So yeah. All right, guys. We're here at her school waiting. It's currently 11:31. She goes to school at 11:45. So I take her in about 11:43. I'm probably gonna play some Pokemon Go. I'll probably let her have the iPad. I brought the iPad with me. Brought some snacks because I know I like to play Pokemon Go. Yeah. Again, I really need to film today. Really need to get on the filming aspect of my channel because I'm only like 2 videos ahead right now, and if I wait any longer I'm probably going to be behind in videos instead of ahead. So yeah, I'll update you guys when I get back to the house. All right, I'm back home from dropping her off at school. Um, I wish there was something more I could do at her school, you know? What I mean by that is because every time I drop her off, she seems to be the only kid there. And it makes me very sad because it's like, I know she's not, because when I pick her up, there's like 4 or 5 other kids there. And they probably get there late or whatnot. And there's probably a situation or some circumstances where they just can't come at that time. But it's kind of like I'm just leaving my daughter with some teachers. I don't know. I just wish there was something else I could do, you know? But it is currently what it is. Um, yeah, I have a lot of, I have a lot to film. I still need to do 2 more Bioshock videos. 3 more. 2 more or 3 more? One or the other. I need to make more No Man's Sky videos. Okay. And I still need to do 2 more Minecrafts or 3 more, something like that. Just so this way I'll be ahead instead of behind. It would probably be easier for me to be ahead than behind. So then this way I could drop her off, and or so this way I can just worry about the vlogs. You know, when I drop her off at school and pick her up, yada 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 yada. Um, yeah, I might take my daughter, or I might go with my fiance to pick up my daughter. I might not. I don't know. I'll update you guys probably then, or I might sign off then. One or the other is gonna happen. All right, I'm recording on both ends. Okay. So what's the color of the bird? Gray. African gray. I didn't know there was an African gray. Okay, African gray bird. Didn't know it flew, or how did? So it norm. Okay. So it just didn't show that it could fly, and then you guys had it on the porch and it flew away. Right. Okay. I don't think he's gone. I think he flew away, and again, he's going to get out there. He's going to be in the wild, but then once he realizes that you guys are where the food are, he's going to come back. I would like to believe that's what's going to happen. I don't want to be negative about it. He's gone right now, but again, like I said, he'll come back. I want to believe that he likes your family a lot more than I do. So you had a very eventful morning. You were up at 7:30. Immediately out of the house because she was at mom's, grandma's. And then from there, she came home, took a bath. Took Zizi a bath, or gave Zizi a bath. Got Zizi ready, and then she took off again.
3 hours.
3 hours. More like 3.5 hours. And then she stopped by the house and told me to jump in, and I jumped in. Yeah, and then afterwards, we get my little one, and then I go back home, and she goes back to grandma's.
What? I haven't seen you for like an hour?
I've seen you only for an hour today, yes. Oh, look at that. Yeah. See, I knew he lived over here.
No, his daughter.
I'm so confused. What?
He picks up his daughter.
His daughter lives over here.
No. So his baby mama.
Right.
Mama's grandparents, whatever. Or his grandparents have come over here. Or my used to live over there.
She still lives in town? I thought she moved. And Zizi? Yeah, I don't want to.
I don't think we're in cars.
Yeah, I am. I'm not gonna say Zahara. That's only when I'm mad at her. Yeah. Well, she's 30, 35. Hey, Zizi, come to the house real quick. Why? Because there's a store on the way and I need you to pick something up. That's mainly what I'm going to be doing. It's just, the store's on the way, so could you pick me something up? What do you want? Coffee. Oh, someone's in your spot. Alright. About to pick up the little one. That was an adventure. I like it when I don't have to drive, because then I don't have to focus on the road. Alright, I'm back home, guys. Hi. Yeah. So if I didn't put it in, I was driving with my fiance and her mother's bird, because it didn't show any signs of flying or anything up until now. She had the bird out on the porch with her, and she was doing something on the porch, made some kind of noise, and spooked it. Bird flew away. And really has her mom in a very distraught kind of feeling right now, because she's very sad, thinking the bird's not going to come back and whatnot. And so everybody's hoping, everybody's looking, are doing their best, trying to look for a bird that looks a lot like the other birds, really. But yeah, other than that, not much happening for me, really. I just got to film on this nice, beautiful, gorgeous Monday, Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate you being alive. I'm proud of you. I appreciate you. Thank you guys for watching. This is DJ Crazy. I'll see you guys next time.